Hey, what's up everybody? This is David with Excalibur Rings. In today's ring video, we're going to be making a customer order purple glow ring with meteorite shavings. I'm going to take you through the entire process and explain how everything is done. We only use tungsten ring blanks. These rings are scratch resistant, but they're not invincible, so they can definitely shatter if you apply too much force to them. Finally, the inlays. These are meteorite shavings, and this is that glow pellet you saw earlier. This concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I truly appreciate the support. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing, liking, and dropping a comment to let me know that you've subscribed. Also, go ahead and let me know your ring size, because every month we're actually going to start doing ring giveaways, so don't miss out on this. I'm definitely looking forward to the next video. I can't wait to share it with you guys.